Hi, Paul and Michelle. I hope that you're doing well. Here is the premise video walkthrough that I did for 6316 Franklin Ridge. And I did this video the same day that I did Mount Cristo Rey, so for whatever reason, my phone was not capturing any sound. You're going to see that as I was walking the property, there was another party in the house. And, they weren't rude or anything like that. They were just a little bit standoffish. So they asked me not to put them on camera. As I'm walking the property, you're going to see that there's a couple of cuts just because I was trying to avoid any issues with this other party that was visiting the property. Overall, the assessment that I gave you for value, I am going to adjust it probably around $6 to $7 per square foot down. The property is not in bad shape. I don't see any deferred maintenance, but it definitely does need some work to bring it up to standards. At the very least, I would say that all of the walls need to be repainted. The kitchen is pretty out of date, so these are things that merit an adjustment on the valuation of the property. This is located in the Franklin Hills. Right now, you are probably about 2.5 miles away from Belvedere. It's on the other end of Ojo de Agua, and right there you saw one of the jumps because, I was trying to avoid the other party. Have bathroom overall in fairly okay shape. It's just, a little bit outdated. Washer and dryer. They do convey with the property. They are Amana. Amana is a very entry-level appliance supplier. And here you have one of the highlights of the house, and that is that you have a triple car attached garage. Only one of the doors has a garage door opener, but nevertheless, on these lots, on these lots in this part of the Franklin Hills, is not very common to see triple car garages. A bit of a workshop space right there. And this is the door that leads to the exterior of the house. It was very windy yesterday. Maybe it could be that the microphone was not picking up anything because it was windy. I've tried to run it a couple more times now at home and it works fine. I must have made some kind of mistake. So this is the kitchen. It's 100% builder grade. And just like I told you yesterday that I recognize this floor plan, I have seen this floor plan multiple times. This is a classic American floor plan. It's fairly popular. But in the tax records, it shows that somebody else built it. And this is not something that I am very surprised about because it does happen in the city that somebody will pick up a floor plan that they like and they will just go ahead and copy it and build it somewhere else. But like you see right there, the kitchen is all pretty much builder grade finishes. The house has been on the rental market for 2.5 years. So here we have another jump. We're still by the entrance, and right now I am in the formal living and dining room. Some very nice and very high tall ceilings with the bay windows. And I wanted to give that shot so that you could see where the kitchen was. This is one of the things that caught my attention as I was going up these stairs. I noticed that this is the only chunk of carpet in the entire house. Everything else is either laminate or some kind of tile, so only the stairs have carpet. These bedrooms in particular, I remember thinking that they had a significant amount of wear and tear. At the very least, all of the bedrooms upstairs should probably be repainted. Small walk-in closet. And this is the other bedroom. Interesting thing about this bedroom is that this is the only access point to the balcony. So if you want to go to the balcony, which is worth visiting because it's very pretty, the view is very pretty, you have to go through one of the bedrooms, or rather this bedroom in particular. So this is the view. You can see that there's a little bit of deferred maintenance right there. Some peeling paint that should definitely be fixed. Wood should never be exposed to the elements, otherwise it has a bad tendency to rot. You can see that the fascia also needs a little bit of work. And this is the view from the balcony. Right now we're facing south, and about 2 miles down that way, that's where Belvedere is going to be. Another interesting note is that you have an infill lot right next to you. An infill lot is basically an empty lot that never got developed, and sometimes at some point down the line, somebody will buy it and build something that will not fit with the rest of the subdivision. And I just realized that I completely skipped one of the bathrooms. Well, in this floor there's one bathroom for these 3 bedrooms. It's pretty much builder grade. And this bedroom that I'm standing on right now is noticeably smaller than the other bedrooms. I would say that at the very least by about a foot or a foot and a half. I was very self-conscious because I really wanted to get out of the hair of these people, and there were people going in and out. The house just hit the market, and because of the low inventory, there was a lot of people. Trying to visit when I was there. So you're in the master bedroom right now. I just went wide to try to give you a better view. You have a ceiling fan that is fairly new, and here you have your double vanity. The other bathroom on the hall looks pretty much like this, very, very similar finishes. Not too bad. Shower tub combo. And yeah, the other bathroom looked pretty much like this. And here you have your master closet. So now we're going to be jumping to the backyard here in a second. And that is it for the interior of the house. So here we are on the outside. The backyard has been finished. It doesn't have a lot of stuff in it, but at least there is something. You can see right here the view of the property from the back. That door right there that you see on the left-hand side is what leads to the garage. And it looks like at some point they might have had a gazebo or a pergola, because you have that finished concrete in the middle of the backyard. Beautiful views. That is definitely a highlight of this home. So here you have the infill lot, and I'm just closing out with a shot of the side of the house. That about covers it, guys. I hope that you like this walkthrough, and I will be in touch with you soon. For now, Jorge out.